I'm going to share with you how you can have other people, your customers, do your marketing for you. I bet you find yourself running out of time some days, not enough time to do any marketing. Maybe this is most days. Some experts will tell you social media marketing isn't important for your brewery. Well, if your customers are there and you're not, somebody else is marketing their breweries to your customers. Not good. What I'm talking about is setting up a selfie booth in your brewery and encouraging people to use it and post on social media from your location. This works if you have a brew pub, a tasting room, or a tour, anything that brings your customers to your location. I'm Trip, and I've been helping business owners and myself to use marketing to reach their goals, and I want to do the same for you, the craft brewers. Let's first talk about how powerful this is for your business, and then we'll discuss how to do it simply and inexpensively. Imagine each day that you're open, with customers visiting you, several or dozens of people are posting their fun times, their joys at your location on their social media platforms of choice and tagging your brewery in their posts. What this will do, their friends are going to see these posts. This activity will lead your business to appear before more people, and you'll be able to increase existing customer revenues. Not bad for a small investment of time and money. Now, you can spend thousands of dollars on this. There's machines and selfie setups you can buy, and if you want to go that route, it's a solid investment. But you can create a selfie booth in a corner, against a wall, in an out-of-the-way area, or just about anywhere in your building. It should be close to where people congregate, near or in your pub, tasting room, or merch area. If you don't have any of these, let's talk. I'm putting together a comprehensive marketing guide for brewers now. Go down in the comments and comment, yes, please, and I'll get that over to you right away. And listen, it's completely free. Now that you've got the location, all you need to do is have a banner created. The top of the banner, and we're going to go over these things, should be about 7 feet off the ground. Make your name and location clearly visible at the top, and anyone standing in front of it, that'll still be able to see in the picture. Decorate the background of this. Make it fun and interesting. Use relevant images and topics. Make it fun and alluring so people want to be in front of it. You can also use product images. Here's a bonus idea. Have some props. Maybe an empty can, bottles. You can even have pick sticks with your products or other relevant topics attached to a little stick that people can hold up in their picture. Once you've got all this set up, now you need to incentivize people to use the selfie booth. Remember, people are taking their time to advertise for your business. Give them something for their efforts. Free drink or a tasting. Enter them into a contest to win, free merch. Maybe offer them some free appetizers. The better the incentive, the more people will do this for. Listen, what I'm talking about here from your end, it's going to require a couple of hours of effort. And you set this up and it will produce hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands, of free social media posts each and every year. So is that a good use of a couple of hours? Listen, just so you don't think I'm crazy, here's an example of Blue Moon and their booth. It's not overly novel what I'm suggesting you to do, but here's the thing. I've never gone into a brewery ever and seen one of them doing this. You're going to stand out and the results are going to be fantastic. Folks, sure, this takes a little bit of setup, but it's something that's going to produce traffic to your business each and every day. This is a set it and forget it type of marketing idea. If you do this right, if you create it properly, if you encourage your people, meaning staff, to promote it well, and you incentivize this properly, your brewery's presence, your brewery's exposure within your community and the general area around your business is going to explode. And it takes you just a couple hours to put together. That's because folks will see your customers' posts, probably multiple posts from several different people, and say, wow, let me check this place out. This is marketing done differently, done better. Doing things to better market your brewery is the key to going forward. These are the things I'm constantly sharing. Give me a follow for more ideas and advice. And remember, I'm putting out that comprehensive marketing guide for brewers now. So go down in the comments, say yes, please, and I'll get that over to you right away. And again, I'm not charging you for it. I want to give it to you.